Businesses today struggle with digital marketing strategies. Why? Because one, we don't know who our audience is and what is it that they expect from our business. And two, the true value of our business to our audiences. What is it that we are offering that they really care about? What is it that we want them to do when they are on our website, when they are on our social media pages and our landing pages? We often come across scenarios where we have failed campaigns and it gets really frustrating. Here's what I have for you. We at Skillwise Solutions are coming up with a workshop which will help you build a step-by-step digital marketing strategy which is specific to your product and your service. This works. This really works. It works on all kinds of products and services. We've tested it out on our clients and we'd like to share it with you free of cost. One advantage of attending this workshop is you would be eligible for a free 30-minute consultation with me, which will help you get started with this digital marketing strategy that we're talking about. You would have access to the templates that we are going to show you, and those templates are downloadable free of cost and will stay with you forever. So here's what you need to do next. You need to register on this workshop on the link given below. You need to reach out to us with questions. How do you want your business to perform on digital? And you need to book a 30-minute consultation after the workshop is over. So I hope you are as excited about your next business strategy as I am. So see you soon.